Bird feeder.
Oh my, that's a mama.
Down on the fire escape.
Oh, that was cute.
How about that?
Look, it looks like he's washing his hands.
He's adorable. They're very clean animals, actually. That's what I hear.
How cute.
You zooming in, honey?
Yeah.
You getting the birds?
Yeah, the bird behind him, too.
I got Raccoon.
Hey, honey pie. There's
Cracker.
2 red birds now, guys. There's 2 of them. You're a sweetie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look a little bit closer. Stick out your finger.
That's why I'm over here. I don't trust that much.
Yeah, it's not every day you come across a raccoon that's not gonna
This is his area. I mean, this is a
You remember
nature
that?
center.
You remember that one in?
on the patio, on the fence in Davie.
No, that was a possum. First of all.
Oh.